Record-breaking heat in Spain, power outages in Italy, and wildfires raging in Greece. As the U.S. suffers one of the worst heat waves in memory, parts of Europe are actually burning. On the outskirts of Athens, the fire burned so hot that parts of this car literally melted off. But why is this summer so brutal? It's tough to link any specific weather event directly to climate change, but scientists say all of the factors triggering scorching temperatures are made worse by global warming. Here in Europe, the extreme heat is being fueled by what's called an anticyclone. It's the opposite of a cyclone, which is when low pressure leads to storms and rain. In this anticyclone, nicknamed Charon, it's high pressure over southern Europe that's the problem. It's pushing air down toward Earth and compressing it, which makes it hotter. That pressure also spreads the air out, making it less windy. So all that hot air is just kind of trapped there. It's called a heat dome, and it's why this current heat wave feels like it just won't quit.
It's kind of terrible.
Yeah.
In the U.S., the South also under a high-pressure heat dome. And making things worse is a dangerous combination of drought and El Nino, a weather pattern caused by hotter-than-usual water in the Pacific Ocean. And in Asia, a third high-pressure area causing yet another heat dome, with the jet stream, that fast-moving river of air that blows west to east, now making those high-pressure areas stronger and longer-lasting. There's one common thread here. Global warming, fueled by human greenhouse gas emissions, is making all of this worse.
What climate change is doing is because of all the greenhouse gases that we have emitted, and in particular CO2, is just amplifying temperatures. So it's just making heat waves more severe, more prolonged, and more frequent.
Already, climate change is making U.S. heat waves 3 to 5 degrees hotter on average than they used to be.
Is this going to get even worse in the future?
That's right, because time is running out.
Europe now bracing for yet another heat wave next week. And while the U.S. and Asia may see some relief in the coming days, scientists say in the long run, get ready. With more heat-trapping gases built up in the atmosphere, all that heat simply has no way to escape.